In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in or sign up to QuillBot using a Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and head to QuillBot's official website. You can type the address directly into the address bar or search for QuillBot and select the official result. Take a quick moment to check that the URL is correct before proceeding, as this ensures you're on the legitimate site and helps keep your account secure. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the profile icon or an option that says Log in or Sign up. Click that to open the account options. On the Sign in window, QuillBot gives you a few ways to get started. You can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or you can create or access an account using an email address and password. For this walkthrough, we'll continue with Google. Click Continue with Google. A Google window will appear asking you to choose the account you want to use. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, simply select the account. If not, enter your Google email and password when prompted. If your Google account has two-step verification enabled, complete that additional confirmation as usual. When you see a permission screen, take a moment to review it, then proceed if you're comfortable. After you confirm, you'll be redirected back to QuillBot automatically. You should now be logged in with your Google account. A quick way to verify is to glance at the top right again. The profile icon typically shows that you're signed in, and you'll have access to the full dashboard or editor view. If it's your first time, QuillBot may ask for a couple of quick preferences, and then you're ready to use the tool. If you run into any hiccups, here are a few simple tips. If the Google sign-in window doesn't appear, disable any aggressive pop-up blockers just for this session, or try refreshing the page. If you get stuck in a sign-in loop, clearing cookies for the site, or trying a different browser usually resolves it. Also, make sure you're using the account you intend to use long-term, especially if you plan on upgrading later, to keep all your documents and settings in one place. And that's it. Once you've connected your Google account, you're all set. You can start paraphrasing, summarizing, or using any of QuillBot's features right away, and your work will be associated with your account for easy access in future sessions.